Welcome to Stick Shift Hot Wheels. This is a review of the Hot Wheels 1999 Final Run series. It's a series of premium Hot Wheels cars with special paint jobs and unique tampo work. There were 12 vehicles in this series, and each vehicle will have its own review. Car number 2 is the Mercedes 380 SEL, painted in metallic purple with metallic co-mold wheels. Here's the package. Take one last look at the Mercedes 380 SEL and some of its variations since its 1982 introduction. We've used this luxury sedan in our basic line, collector series, and gift packs. And if you look closely, you'll see a dog sitting in the back seat. Obviously these windows are dark, but there is a dog, I think, on the opposite side there. Alright, let's get cracking. Very nice. Definitely a cool car. Looks great. Not quite as brilliant a finish as I was thinking it was going to be. Kind of marbled or something weird. Tampo's slightly off on that tail lamp. Pretty good. For some, the Mercedes-Benz 380 SEL needs no introduction. It is truly an iconic sedan of the 1980s. It looks absolutely awesome in this metallic or metal flake purple. On screen it's looking a little bit more like a dark blue, but trust me, it's purple. And this was one of the cars of the entire series that I knew I absolutely had to have. I love purple, and this car is definitely an 80s sedan. It has the nice 6-spoke rear riders on it. It looks absolutely awesome. This two-tone paintwork is really cool. The black that features on the bumpers and underside of the door panels looks really great, how it wraps all the way around. And then Hot Wheels went the extra mile and did a silver and black tampo that goes on the upper portion of the door, which is really cool. But for me, this is really awesome because this is the only casting that has front and rear taillight tampos, I believe, for this casting, and it really brings it up a notch and looks absolutely fantastic. Out of the 12, this Mercedes-Benz is definitely a must-have. It's in my top 2 or 3 for this 12 car set. If you like the Hot Wheels treasure hunt vehicles from 1995 through about the year 2000, you're going to absolutely love this series. And this Final Run series, the cars are cheaper than the treasure hunt equivalent vehicles, even though these cars, most of them have real riders with the same wheels as those other vehicles. Just some food for thought. If you liked this video, please check out reviews of the rest of the 12 vehicles from this Final Run series. Each individual car will have its own detailed reviews. Thanks for watching.